Welcome to the Hans. Hi guys. So today I decided to do a quick home tour. We are moving out from this place pretty soon, next month. So before we move out, I wanted to show you the place. And yeah, so it's a tiny house, so there's not much to show you, but let's begin with our entrance. Sorry if I look really bad because I just decided to film this video, so I don't have any makeup on and I look like a mess. But anyway, so this is the entrance of our house. It's pretty tiny, and this is the shoe closet. I'm not gonna open it because it's pretty messy in here. Here there's a full-length mirror, and if you come up this way, on the right hand side there's a bathroom. There you go. So this is the bathroom. Pretty tiny too. I mean, it's pretty spacious for the size of this house, I would say. And this is the shower booth in here. And this is where we keep our stuff. So that's the bathroom. There's not much, right? One thing I really like about this place is the height of the ceiling. It's really high. I'm not sure if you can tell. So from all the way to the top to the bottom, it's all storage spaces. So I really like that. This is a tiny place, but since there are tons of storage space, it can be free from clutters and it makes the house cleaner, I guess. And next to the bathroom, there's the washing machine. So this is built in, and if you pull this thing out, this is where I hang and dry my clothes. So it's pretty handy, right? And if you come this way, there's this like a gallery space, gallery area, and we put our photos and, you know, special meaningful items. Like these are from our weddings, so that's our wedding invitation. And this picture was taken in New York City when we were dating. Everything is very meaningful to us. And if I turn around, there's the kitchen. So it's a tiny kitchen. It's just enough for two of us. So that's my new kitchen towel. And this is where I make drip coffee. We have a toaster from Bermuda here. It was a gift from my really close friends from work. And a microwave. And this is where I do dishes, and there's another coffee bar where I make coffee and tea. And these are for our yogurt. My husband loves to eat yogurt every morning, so he likes to put this kind of nuts and almonds in his yogurt. So that's that. We have a TV. It's a TV actually, but we don't watch TV. So here, this is where we store our plates, and this is where we keep our cups. I love mug cups, so I have quite a bit. And this is the refrigerator. So we didn't have to buy any of these or the washing machine, so that was very convenient for us. So yeah, that's it for the kitchen. And if you come up this way, this is our living room / work / dining area. So let's start from this side. You've probably seen this space quite a bit from Instagram. So we don't have a TV, but instead we just put our wedding photos and made a small gallery. This is the diffuser that I got from Suhyang. The scent name is Itaewon 565 and it smells really good. And this is room spray from Deep Dick Base, I think. I love it so much. There are more wedding photos, and this is the light that I got recently. You probably seen it in my previous vlog. And I got this from a subscriber from India. She kindly contacted me when she was in Korea. So we met up and she gave this thing to me. So precious and I really love it. Next to that chest, we have some college diploma. And in this basket, we have some cords for my camera, lights, and all like filming gears. And this is a must-have in our house. We have so many electronics that were made in the States. And if I don't use this, I plug this thing in. This is from Bath & Body Works. It's a scent diffuser. And this thing makes our entire house smell really good. And we have a fan from Bermuda. Back here we have a speaker, Geneva. I really love this speaker so much. And we have some random boxes from Louis Vuitton. I just put it there. It's okay, that's our daily reminder. And here, this thing is probably the biggest furniture in our house besides the bed. So this is our dining table / workstation. So usually we read books, we work on our computers, I film here. We do pretty much everything in this place. And for dinner time, we just clean this thing out and have dinner here. And it can fit up to 6 people. So we sit 2 people here, 2 people here, and put chair on each side. And then we can fit up to 6 people all together. So it's pretty big. We love to invite our friends here and have dinner together. We've done that several times and everyone really enjoyed it. And next to the dining table, there's it's called USM Holler. It's some kind of European brand. And up here, we just have more wedding photos. And this slide is from, Boston. It's been with me for over 10 years, I think. So that's from Wisdom. And we have more scent stuff, candle, fake flowers, and welcome to the Hans. This is for recycling. We don't have any outdoor space to put our garbage. So this is where we put our recycling, garbage. And up here we have some binders and books from college. And down here we have a small wine section where we put our wines and wine glasses and wine opener. Oh, it's getting darker. I need to hurry up. And here we have a picture frame from Seattle, Washington, and a mirror, full-length mirror that I got from IKEA when I lived in New Jersey. And there's another wedding photo of us. And I just kept my camera here because I film a lot here. And if you turn around, this is where our bedroom starts. And when we first moved in here, since there's no door that leads to our bedroom, we wanted to put like a furniture here so that it somewhat differentiate those two spaces. But instead of that, we decided to put this giant plant, and I think it worked a lot better than putting a furniture because, you know, it opens up the space, but at the same time, it kind of hides the bedroom area. If you see this way, you kind of know what I mean. And this is our bedroom. Two walls are just pure glass. So it was a must-have to have curtains all these two sides. And that's our bed. It's a queen-sized bed. And here, this is where my husband puts his uniforms and his stretching gears. He likes to stretch, so this is where he puts his stuff. And next to our bed, I have this tiny vanity station where I put my skincare stuff, makeup, and here there's more skincare stuff, and I put my jewelries and watches here, and that's where we put our underwear, socks, PJs, and all that kind of stuff. And yeah, and you've seen my closet in my previous closet tour video, so if you haven't checked that out, please go ahead and watch it. And this is just a small nook. I rarely sit in this chair, but sometimes I do. And if we have a guest over here, then we put that in our dining table so that we have more chairs for people to sit. That's about it. So this place is pretty tiny, as you can see. There's no rooms and there's not much. And like if you look at it, this space just looks like a giant shoebox. It's like a long rectangular space, has a bathroom, kitchen, dining / living area, and the bedroom. It's pretty simple, but this is our first house together, so it's very meaningful. And I'm really sad that we are leaving this place, but yeah, we're gonna miss this. I hope you guys enjoyed our house tour, and if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!